Nerve damage is more common than you might think. Over 20 million people in the US alone suffer from some form of neuropathy. But here's something even more surprising. What you eat can play a huge role in healing those damaged nerves. Yes, food can do more than just fuel your body. It can actually repair it. You might think nerve damage is irreversible, but recent studies show that certain foods can not only protect your nerves, but also help regenerate them. Imagine being able to improve nerve function just by adding the right ingredients to your diet. In this video, we're diving into 6 specific foods that have been proven to work wonders for nerve health. From the berries that can shield your nerves to the spice that can reduce pain, these are not your average health tips. Stick around to discover how simple dietary changes could make a big difference in your nerve health. You'll learn easy strategies to incorporate these powerful foods into your daily routine. Ready to take control of your nerve health? Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Neurological Elixir. Discovering the power of berries. When it comes to healing nerve damage, berries might not be the first food that comes to mind, but these little fruits pack a punch in ways you might not expect. Berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries, are loaded with antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our nerves from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major culprit in nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases. A fascinating study published in the Annals of Neurology found that women who consumed 2 or more servings of strawberries and blueberries each week experienced slower rates of cognitive decline. This suggests that these berries may have protective effects on the nervous system. But how exactly do they work? The answer lies in their rich content of flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are the pigments that give berries their vibrant colors. They have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote blood flow to the brain, which is essential for nerve repair. In fact, a quote from the book Superfoods for Life notes, "Berries are like tiny brain food pills, boosting memory, cognition, and overall nerve health." One strategy to incorporate more berries into your diet is by adding them to your breakfast routine. Whether it's a handful of blueberries in your oatmeal or a strawberry smoothie, these small changes can make a big difference. You can also freeze them to enjoy year-round, ensuring you get their benefits no matter the season. Another interesting fact is that the darker the berry, the more antioxidants it contains. So, when in doubt, reach for the blackberries. They're particularly high in polyphenols, which have been linked to improved nerve function and protection against neurodegeneration. In summary, berries are more than just a sweet treat. They're a powerful tool in the fight against nerve damage. By making them a regular part of your diet, you're giving your nerves the best chance to heal and thrive. Chapter 2. Golden Roots of Revival. Turmeric's Secret for Nerve Repair. Turmeric has been hailed as a superfood for centuries, and for good reason. This golden spice, often used in curries, has incredible anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in nerve repair. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is what gives it its healing power. But did you know that curcumin's benefits go beyond just reducing inflammation? A study in Neuroscience Letters found that curcumin can actually promote the regeneration of nerve cells. This is particularly important for those suffering from conditions like neuropathy, where nerves are damaged or destroyed. The study highlighted that curcumin helps increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. To fully reap the benefits of turmeric, it's essential to pair it with black pepper. The piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, making it much more effective. This simple addition can significantly boost turmeric's healing potential. Another strategy is to incorporate turmeric into your daily cooking. It's versatile and can be added to soups, stews, and even smoothies. For those who might not enjoy its taste, turmeric supplements are available, offering a concentrated dose of curcumin. But the magic of turmeric doesn't stop there. According to the book Healing Spices by Bharat Agarwal, turmeric is nature's gift to our nerves, with the ability to soothe, heal, and rejuvenate them. This makes it a must-have in any diet focused on nerve health. Interestingly, India, where turmeric consumption is highest, has one of the lowest rates of neurodegenerative diseases globally. While many factors contribute to this, the role of turmeric cannot be overlooked. It's a testament to the power of this golden root. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support nerve health. Whether you're dealing with nerve damage or looking to prevent it, turmeric offers a natural and powerful solution. Chapter 3. The Fat That Heals. Omega-3s and Nerve Regeneration. You've probably heard about omega-3s for heart health, but did you know they can also work wonders for your nerves? These essential fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, are crucial for nerve regeneration. Omega-3s help build and maintain myelin, the protective sheath around nerves. When myelin is damaged, nerves can't function properly, so keeping it intact is key to healing. If you want more great videos, hit subscribe and let's keep going. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience revealed that omega-3 fatty acids can promote the growth of nerve cells after injury. This means that incorporating more omega-3s into your diet could speed up nerve recovery. The study also found that these fats can reduce inflammation, which is often a significant factor in nerve damage. To get more omega-3s, start with fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. Just 2 servings a week can provide enough of these essential fats to support nerve health. If you're not a fan of fish, flax seeds and chia seeds are excellent plant-based alternatives. They're easy to add to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Interestingly, walnuts are another great source of omega-3s and have been shown to improve cognitive function. According to the Walnut Cookbook, walnuts are brain food in the most literal sense. They nourish the nervous system and boost mental clarity. A small handful a day can make a big difference. Don't forget about supplements. If you struggle to get enough omega-3s from food, fish oil supplements are a reliable option. Look for those with high levels of EPA and DHA, the 2 most effective types of omega-3s for nerve health. Finally, remember that balance is key. While omega-3s are beneficial, it's important to reduce intake of omega-6 fatty acids, found in processed foods and vegetable oils, which can promote inflammation. By balancing these fats, you're giving your nerves the best chance to heal and regenerate. Chapter 4. Nutty Solutions. How nuts can rewire your nervous system. Nuts might seem like a simple snack, but they're actually a powerhouse for nerve health. Rich in vitamins and minerals, nuts like almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts offer unique benefits for the nervous system. These crunchy treats are packed with B vitamins, particularly B1, B6, and B12, which are crucial for nerve function and repair. A study in Nutrients highlighted that a diet rich in nuts can improve brain function and slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases. This is because nuts provide essential nutrients that support nerve regeneration and protect against damage. Almonds, for instance, are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in nerve transmission and muscle relaxation. Magnesium deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of neuropathy, making almonds a smart choice for anyone looking to boost their nerve health. Just a small handful of almonds a day can help you meet your magnesium needs. Cashews are another excellent option. They're rich in copper, which is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters that regulate nerve communication. Without enough copper, your nerves can't function properly. Adding cashews to your diet is an easy way to ensure you're getting enough of this essential mineral. Brazil nuts deserve a special mention too. They're one of the best sources of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress. In fact, just 1 Brazil nut a day can provide your entire daily requirement of selenium. According to the healing power of nuts, Brazil nuts are a natural nerve shield, offering protection and promoting repair. For a simple strategy, keep a mixed nut jar at your desk or in your kitchen. Snacking on a variety of nuts throughout the day ensures you get a broad range of nutrients. If you're feeling adventurous, try nut butters like almond or cashew butter as a spread on toast or as a dip for fruits and veggies. Nuts are a delicious and convenient way to support nerve health. By including a variety of them in your diet, you're giving your nervous system the tools it needs to heal and thrive. Chapter 5. Greens of Growth. Leafy vegetables that boost nerve recovery. Leafy greens might not scream excitement, but they're some of the best foods for your nerves. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these veggies offer incredible benefits for nerve health. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, for example, are rich in magnesium, which is essential for nerve function. Magnesium helps relax nerves and muscles, reducing the risk of nerve damage and pain. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people who consumed the most leafy greens had a significantly lower risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. This is because these vegetables are loaded with folate, a B vitamin that's crucial for nerve repair and DNA synthesis. Folate deficiency has been linked to nerve damage and cognitive decline, making it important to include in your diet. Spinach is a standout among leafy greens. It's high in both magnesium and folate, making it a top choice for anyone looking to support their nerve health. You can easily add spinach to salads, smoothies, or sautés. It's versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal. Kale is another powerful green. It's rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect nerve cells from damage. These antioxidants have been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. According to The Plant Paradox by Dr. Stephen Gundry, kale is a green powerhouse that feeds your brain and nerves, keeping them sharp and resilient. Swiss chard is often overlooked, but it's a fantastic source of both magnesium and potassium. Potassium is essential for nerve transmission and muscle function, making Swiss chard a great addition to your diet. Try it sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a simple nerve-boosting side dish. For those who find it hard to eat enough leafy greens, green powders are a convenient alternative. These powders are made from dehydrated greens and can be added to smoothies, soups, or even water. They provide a concentrated dose of nutrients and are a great way to ensure you're getting enough greens in your diet. In summary, leafy greens are more than just salad filler. They're a key part of any diet focused on nerve health. By making them a regular part of your meals, you're giving your nerves the nutrients they need to heal and thrive. Chapter 6. The Spice of Life. How Ginger Revitalizes Damaged Nerves. Ginger isn't just for adding a kick to your dishes, it's also a potent healer for your nerves. This spicy root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including nerve pain. What makes ginger so special? It's rich in compounds called gingerols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. A study published in Phytotherapy Research found that ginger can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to nerve damage. The study also suggested that ginger could help protect nerves from further damage and even promote their repair. This makes ginger a valuable tool in managing conditions like neuropathy. Incorporating ginger into your diet is easier than you might think. Fresh ginger can be added to smoothies, teas, and stir-fries for a zesty kick. Ginger tea, in particular, is a soothing way to enjoy its benefits. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for a few minutes, and you've got a nerve-boosting drink that's both delicious and healing. For those who prefer a more concentrated dose, ginger supplements are widely available. These capsules provide a higher amount of gingerols than you might get from food alone, making them a good option for those dealing with chronic nerve pain. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Ginger's benefits extend beyond just nerve health. It's also great for digestion, which can indirectly support nerve function. When your digestive system is working well, your body is better able to absorb the nutrients it needs to repair and maintain healthy nerves. Interestingly, a quote from Healing Spices by Bharat Agarwal states, "Ginger is the unsung hero of the spice world, offering profound healing benefits for the entire nervous system." This highlights just how powerful ginger can be. If you're looking to get creative, try adding ginger to homemade soups or curries. Its warm, spicy flavor pairs well with a variety of dishes, making it a versatile addition to your culinary arsenal. You can also experiment with ginger in baking. Ginger cookies or bread are delicious ways to incorporate this healing spice into your diet. Ginger is a simple, natural way to support nerve health. Whether you choose to add it to your meals, enjoy it as a tea, or take it as a supplement, ginger can help your nerves heal and stay strong. Be part of our journey, subscribe and get notified about our latest content.